In this video, I will show you that how you can create MetaMask wallet on your cell phone by following very simple steps. You can use MetaMask on your iPhone, on your Android application, and also you can use Chrome extension to use MetaMask. But in this video, I will show you that how you can create MetaMask using your cell phone. So first you have to open Play Store application, and on your iPhone you have to open App Store. After that you have to search MetaMask and you will see this application, MetaMask Web3 wallet. Click on it and you have to install this application. So I'm installing this application. Click on install. It will take less than a minute to install your application. So our application is installed. Now open this application. After you will see this home page. Welcome to MetaMask. Manage your digital assets. Your gateway to Web3. Here you have to click on the get started. After that you will see this page. Import using secret recovery phrase or create a new wallet. If you have already MetaMask wallet and you want to import your wallet again, then you have to use import using secret recovery phrase. But we don't have any MetaMask wallet, so I will create a new wallet. Click on it. So here are some instructions about the MetaMask and what MetaMask will do. So I agree. Here you have to read the latest terms of use. So you just have to click on the I agree the terms, click on this button and accept. After that you have to set the create password. This password will be used whenever you open the MetaMask application. So let me set the password. You can also unlock the fingerprint. So I have already enabled. Now click on this button. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So you have to remember this password because this password cannot be recovered in any way. If you lost this password, then you can't open MetaMask application. But once again, you can import the MetaMask wallet. Create password. Now it says creating your wallet. After this, it says secure your wallet. So whenever you create wallet on MetaMask or Trust wallet, you must secure your wallet by taking a backup. So click on the start and here you will get 12-word secret phrase key. Tamare instructions that if you lose it, you forget it, someone else find it, then it is the risk. Now what are the tips? Store in the bank wallet, store in a safe, store in multiple secret phrase. That's a good point. Now here you have to click on the view. You will get 12 words. Now here you can see we got 12 words. So first you have to write down these all words. So you have to write down these keys on multiple places on your notepad, but I will not recommend you to save these keys on your mobile, on your email or any online place. Now click on continue. Now here you have to re-verify all the words which you have write on your notepad. Alright. So after adding all the words in sequence and correct, you will get a success message. After this you have to click on the complete backup. Now it says congratulations, you have successfully protected your wallet. Remember to keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It is your responsibility because you cannot forget any key. You cannot recover your key using the MetaMask wallet. Now click on done. So here you can see our MetaMask wallet has been created in very simple step. So this is the dashboard of the MetaMask wallet. Now welcome to your wallet. You can take the tour or no thanks. Now let's see all the options. If you come on the center of this button, and here you can see there are the Ethereum main network, Linea main network, and you can also add other networks just like Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Palm, and many other networks are available. You can also add custom networks. Alright, cancel this. Now if you come on the account 1, so here you can see add account or hardware wallet. So this is our account address and we have $0.00 in our account. Here is our address, our account address. You can also edit the account name, view Ethereum scan. Let's have my Bitcoin account. So it is your account name. So we have $0 in our account. Here you will see all the tokens which you buy using the Ethereum main network. Here's NFT. If you buy any NFT, you will get here. You can also add other networks using here, just like Binance Smart Chain, which is very common. I will add this switch to network because I have some USDT in Binance Smart Chain BEP20 network. Also in the next video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any crypto coin from Binance application to MetaMask. If you come on the bottom, here you see the second button, transactions. Here you will see all the transactions of the MetaMask. You can also swap the coins, just like buy, sell, swap, send and receive. And here is the home.metamask.io website, and this is the general setting. So I hope you understand that how you can create MetaMask wallet on your cell phone. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve your all queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.